Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. This morning I will be showing us how to join an assembly or how to create an assembly. And especially to all TVians who are watching this broadcast live, don't forget, joining a live force assembly is for everybody. Nobody is exempted and there is no any obligation attached. But guys, guess what? TVC has prepared a special package for our home member in order to equip them and to train them. So guys, what you only need to do is log into your Kringle Cash back office, and then for you to read more information on this, these are information on joining a live force. So what you are just do, come up here, read it up. After that, come click on the menu and go straight to marketing. Under marketing, scroll up and go to where the assembly is. Then click on assemblies. Now, there are two places here, two boxes here. Now, let me change it to text mode for proper view. Aha, this is it. You have either create an assembly or join an assembly. If you are in a state, a locality where no assembly has been created, then you can create your own assembly. This is available to everybody. But in places where assemblies has already been existed, that we have already existing assembly, you should rather click on join the assembly. So now I will click on join the assembly because majority of places now we have assemblies already. Now these are informations that you need to read on how to join the assembly. Click on join the assembly, then it will bring you to this page. Let me change it back for proper view. Yeah. So now this is what it will bring out to you. Don't forget, up you have your name, your service, and the assembly code, because this is already a registered account. Now, what you need to do is list of assemblies. This is for Nigeria. Now, this is every assembly code. These are for different states. So, what you only need to do is search for the state that you are in. We have all the states because this is for Nigeria. We have all the states. If you get to the end and click on the next page and continue that until you get to the last page, or either just click on search. Let me search for Imo. There's none for it now. So Lagos in Nigeria. Good, it has bring it out. You see, Lagos in Nigeria. So peradventure and I decide to join now, I'll just click on action join. So that is the way to join any assembly of your choice. To join any assemblies of your choice. So if it is Plateau State, I'll just click on the next one following is Plateau, click on it and on join. And on it, as you are looking, it states assembly code, country, focus. That in that area of focus, we put your state. You just put state. Focus entry, that's the name of the state you are. Then members, that's the available members within that state that are already part of the life force. Then the action there is for you to join. Now I will be using for the owner of these for these accounts, because I've already joined. I will be joining an account of Oyo State. So good, this is Oyo, and in Oyo we have just 25 members who are active now. And the next thing is to click on the action. So once I click on the action, it will automatically join. So that is the process of joining an assembly within the Kringle community. And guys, don't forget that being underneath it, if you want to contact other assembly members for meetings, there is a link that gives you the requirements and procedure to do that. And also for exhibitions in the house, know that for every assembly meeting you attend, TBC is not to be discussed. This is purely life force assembly. No any other thing is allowed to be discussed there. TBC is on its own separate, but this is just a program that we all key into. So it has nothing to do with TBC. Just that because we are a community, we are trying to help all our members in order for them to be able to benefit from this great thing that Life Force is doing out there. So guys, try to understand the procedure, and this is for everybody to join an assembly. Don't forget, if you are part of the community, for you to access this page in your Kringle Cashback office, don't forget that you need to have an active account. And thank God now it is very, very easy now to have an active account. All along, if you come back to your dashboard, and scroll down, now you will see the list of the programs that are there. Because for you to get to the marketing your clinical organization, you need to have an active account. Now, the billionaire program stated would cost 8 grains. After and all the requirements are there, then if you can meet up with the 8 grains program fee, we have the 4 grains program fee monthly. And at the same time, beneath it, we have the starter program, which costs just 2 grains monthly. So everybody can fit into any of the programs, and you have access to all programs, to everything within the Kringle community. This is the responsibility that every member of the community commits to the community. This is outside life. So guys, get yourself active and come on board. This is a hello guys, this is a self-service assembly, where individual can join on their own without anybody assisting them. So guys, get on board. Projects are ongoing and fundings will soon be released. So guys, I urge everybody key into this opportunity, and your life will never remain the same. Thank you all. I love you all. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed to this my channel, click on the bell by your right hand side and subscribe to it for you to receive subsequent updates whenever any broadcast is being posted here. Share and like. Thank you. God bless you all.